In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-archive finished tasks in Trello using automations. This feature is a great way to keep your Trello boards organized and clutter-free by automatically moving completed tasks out of sight. Let's dive in and take things step by step. First, you'll want to locate and click on the lightning icon. This icon is situated conveniently in the top right corner of your Trello interface. Clicking it will open up the automation menu, which is where the magic begins. Once you have that open, the next thing you need to do is click on Rules. This is the section where we set up the specific conditions and actions for your task automation. You should now see an option labeled Create Automation. Go ahead and click on that to begin crafting your custom automation rule. Now, let's focus on selecting our trigger. We want to choose Card Changes as our trigger. This setting allows Trello to recognize when any modifications happen to a card, which will set our automation in motion. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the condition of marking a card as complete. In the next filter setting, make sure to change By Me to By Anyone, ensuring it applies to all users who might mark a task as done. Click the plus button right next to it to add this as your formal trigger. This step is crucial because it tells Trello exactly what to watch for before executing the desired action. The following step is to define what happens once a card is marked as complete. This is called the action step. Click the plus button again, but this time, set the action to archive the card. Now, what this does is every time any card gets marked as finished, Trello will automatically move it to the archive, keeping your board nice and tidy. Once you have successfully set both the trigger and the action, click on Save to implement your new automation rule. You should receive a confirmation that it's been saved and is ready to put into action. Finally, you'll want to test it out. Go ahead and mark a task in your Trello board as complete to see if it automatically archives itself. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the task move out of view, straight into the archives, and that's all there is to it. With this automation in place, you can now focus on new tasks and let Trello handle the organization of your completed ones. Keeping your projects streamlined and efficient has never been easier, ensuring that you and your team can maintain focus on what truly matters. Experiment with other automations when you get comfortable, as this is just one way Trello can optimize your workflow.